Hello everyone and welcome to Brand New Vegan, where I just got back from Albuquerque, New Mexico. That's right, land of enchantment. And today I want to share with you an incredible sauce that is very popular in New Mexico. I love the stuff. I make it all the time. My New Mexico Red Chile Sauce. It's not that hard. Sounds hard, but it's not, and I'm going to show you how right now. So here's our ingredients. Nothing special. We do need some chilies, obviously, and this is what they look like. Now, these are New Mexico chilies, dried red chili pods. You can get Guajillo, you can get California. I like New Mexico. Got a little bit of onion. Now, this is Mexican oregano, and this is what it looks like. It's in the same section as the chilies in the Mexican section. You can use regular oregano if you want. Got some tomato sauce, no salt. Got some garlic powder, some onion powder, some cumin, a little bit of garlic, some regular salt, and, of course, a blender. So we're going to roast these chilies. And we're going to put them in a 250-degree oven for about 20 minutes. Don't have to wash them, don't have to do anything. Just pop them in the oven. Let them get nice and toasty. They're easy to clean this way. So you can see, you just cut off the tops, cut off the heads, dump out the seeds, put everything in a trash can or in a bowl. And sometimes, if you get lucky, you'll see right here, that little membrane. Yeah, that's bitter. Let's get the seeds attached. If you can get rid of that too, awesome. If not, don't worry about it. We're going to strain it anyway. We're going to put it in a pot, cold water, bring that up to a simmer. It'll get nice and soft, just like that. When we get to that point, we're going to turn off the heat, put on the lid, and just let them steam. Now we're going to blend them. So dump out the water, toss them in a blender. Told you it was simple. Now we're going to add about 2 cups of that chili water to our blender. You can use regular water if this is too bitter for you. I like it this way. Get it nice and blended. We're going to add our seasoning. The entire list will be on the website. And we're going to add our tomato sauce. We're also going to add about 1/4 of an onion. And of course some garlic. Got to have garlic. I got about 3 cloves. Give that a nice blend. Get it nice and smooth. And me personally, I like it just like this. I don't do anything else. Now, it can be bitter. Those skins and seeds, whatever seeds are left, make it kind of bitter. So if it is, you can strain it. Just get a big giant sieve like this. Get a rubber spatula. There we go. And we're just going to push that stuff through the sieve, through the strainer, until all the liquid comes out the bottom. See? Just like that. It's going to take a while. Be patient. And what you're left with is this pulp. This is mostly just skins that didn't blend all the way. Maybe some seeds. Be sure and scrape that stuff off the bottom too. That's good stuff. Now we're just going to heat that up. Oh, hello, Jordan. That's my grandson. He's saying hi. Little ham. He likes to be in my videos. Anyway, that's it. That's red chili sauce. And it's so good on burritos, on tacos, hash browns, you name it, baked potato. It is so rich. It's so earthy. There's no fat, hardly any calories, lots of vitamin C. And it's so good. It's not hot. New Mexico chilies are not that hot if you get them in the grocery store like we do. If you get them in New Mexico, they can be hot. But ours, not so much. Hope you liked the video. If you do, give me a thumbs up. And remember, all the ingredients, all the instructions are on the website. I'll post a link below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.